Look at that. Those didn't hold up very good. This is a urethane bushings. Right. All the way from England. So I got the bushings in finally, all the way from Larkspeed in the UK. So gotta take the struts back out to get them in there. See what those look like. Those don't look good at all. But you gotta take off the tie rod. Gotta pop the ball joint. That's popped already. Top bolts are kind of a pain because they're up in here. There's 3 of them. Just a little at a time. And let's see if I can pull the whole thing out without taking anything else apart. If you saw one of my other videos when I did this, the axle shaft pulled apart, and it was a nightmare. That's what they're supposed to look like, right? Gonna buy some tools. What's this? Leak down tester, compression tester, ball joint, service kit. Good stuff, but what am I gonna do with it? I can't carry it around. I feel good. Yeah, I feel good.